Hi and welcome to this short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get Snapchat Premium. So this is the new feature. Now you can convert your simple Snapchat to Snapchat Plus or Snapchat Premium, but how you can get it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So Snapchat Plus is a new feature in which you will pay to Snapchat and in return you will get additional features. So how you can get it? Simply open your Play Store and right here you have to search for the Snapchat. Once you will search for it, after that make sure you are using the updated version of the Snapchat. So right now my Snapchat is updated. So once you will do it, you have to open it and after that you can easily find the Snapchat Premium button in your Snapchat. But this feature is available for a few countries right now. If your country support this feature, simply you can grab the Snapchat Premium. Otherwise you have to wait for it. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.